The issue around data privacy and protection is a global thing now, and immediately we issued the regulation in Nigeria. We started implementation and we were able to get a lot of tractions that actually led to the creation of the bureau and now the commission. In the area of awareness, we've gone far. The MD level of compliance in 2021 was just 4% from the public sector. Through awareness creation, meeting with MDs, it rose to 9% within 3 months. And definitely when we're going to do this year, I'm sure it will be more than that. In terms of job creation, when we started, we had less than 2,000, we had less than 1,000 data protection officers in Nigeria. As we speak, we have over 9,000 people working in the data protection ecosystem. In terms of revenue to government, the commission on its own has made up to about 300 million revenue to government. If you look at all the 8-point agenda, all of them will have one thing or the other to do with data privacy. In the job of talk of food security, you don't know the number, you can't measure, you can't do anything. And the moment you collect and process data of anybody, you're under data protection and privacy. When you talk of rule of law, this is a major law for data protection in Nigeria to attract foreign direct investment. You talk of creating a level playing ground for all stakeholders. That is, everybody we are the same. All data subjects, they are the same. Talk of security. We can't secure your people, we don't know them. All these are things that will speak to issues. So this law covers all the 8 points under the current administration agenda.